The seagull, also known as a gull, is a type of seabird that belongs to the family Loridae. These birds are commonly found near coastlines, lakes, and rivers around the world. Seagulls are known for their distinctive appearance, behavior, and their ability to adapt to various environments. Seagulls are easily recognizable due to their medium to large size, slender bodies, long wings, and webbed feet. Most species have white feathers, although some species may have gray or orange, and their eyes are usually a light color such as yellow or pale gray. One of the fascinating aspects of seagulls is their adaptability. While they are primarily associated with the ocean, seagulls can also be found near freshwater bodies, such as lakes and rivers. They have a wide geographical range and can be seen in various habitats, including coastal cliffs, sandy beaches, urban areas, and even landfills. Seagulls are highly opportunistic and are known to scavenge for food. They are skilled hunters and foragers, and their ability to exploit different food sources contributes to their success as a species. In terms of behavior, seagulls are social birds and often gather in large flocks, especially during the During the breeding season, seagulls form pairs and establish nesting colonies, usually on remote islands or coastal areas. The female lays 2 to 3 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating. Once the chicks hatch, they are cared for by both parents until they are ready to fledge and become independent. Seagulls have become well adapted to human presence and are often found in urban and tourist areas. While their scavenging behavior can be seen as a nuisance, they also play an important role in the ecosystem by cleaning up organic waste and controlling populations of small marine organisms. Overall, seagulls are fascinating birds that have managed to thrive in diverse environments around the world. The seagull, also known as a gull, is a type of seabird that belongs to the family Loridae. These birds are commonly found near coastlines, lakes, and rivers around the world. Seagulls are known for their distinctive appearance, behavior,